What is up, YouTube? You've got Papa G here, and I am back with 12 beautiful classics from the 1950s, the good old days. So sit back for about 11 minutes and check out some beautiful classic cars for sale. And as always, if you like one of them, the link is in the description below. Hey Rooster, give them all the details. I sure will, Papa G. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like one of the cars, the links are in the description below. There you go, Rooster. Now let's start the show. Come on, let's go! Car number 1. It's a 1959 Morris Minor 1000 Series 3 from Elma, West Virginia for $20,000. Car number 2. It's a 1956 Buick Special from Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. They're asking $32,500. Car number 3. It's a 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air from Gary, Indiana for $25,000. Car number 4. It's a 1959 AMC Rambler from Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada for $12,000 Canadian. Car number 5 is a 1959 Mercedes-Benz 220S from Barnesville, Georgia for $28,000. Hey y'all, you've got Papa G here. I want to thank each and every one of you that has subscribed to my channel. We just hit 3,400. Up next, we have car number 6. It's a 1950 Chevrolet Business Coupe Hot Rod from Loth, Canada for 19,000 Canadian. Up next, we have car number 7. It's a 1959 Ford Thunderbird Coupe from Barnesville, Georgia for $23,300. Hope you're enjoying the video, everybody. How about hitting that thumbs up and clicking subscribe, and also click the bell for notifications of when I drop videos. Thank you for watching. Car number 8 is a 1957 Ford Fairlane from Harrington, Delaware for $23,500. Car number 9. It's not from the 50s, but it's a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. It's from West Palm Beach, Florida. They're asking $39,900.
Hit the beach.
Up next is car number 10. It's a 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe, Pittsboro, North Carolina, for $11,995.
Cowabunga.
Car number 11 is a 1953 Dodge Regent from Rocky View County, Alberta, Canada for $7,500 Canadian.
Come on, dude.
Car number 12 is a 1955 Ford Fairlane Victoria from West St. Paul, Manitoba, Canada for $26,900 Canadian. Hey folks, this is Papa G. Thank you for sticking around to the very end. Now, just do me one more favor. Click that thumbs up button. It tells YouTube to send this video out to other car enthusiasts. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Come on, let's go!